Welcome back to Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today we're diving into ManageEngine's Password Manager Pro, a comprehensive solution designed to safeguard and manage privileged accounts and shared passwords within your organization. This powerful platform provides a centralized vault for storing sensitive credentials, ensuring they're readily accessible to authorized personnel while remaining protected from unauthorized access. Password Manager Pro offers a robust set of features, including automated password rotation, granular access control, and detailed audit trails, empowering businesses to bolster their security posture and meet stringent compliance requirements. The increasing complexity of IT environments, coupled with the growing number of privileged accounts, makes manual password management a near impossible task. Password Manager Pro simplifies this process by automating password changes, eliminating the need for manual intervention and reducing the risk of human error. This automation not only enhances security but also frees up valuable IT resources. Furthermore, the software facilitates seamless integration with various applications and systems, allowing for streamlined password management across the entire IT infrastructure. Access control is paramount when it comes to sensitive information. Password Manager Pro offers fine-grained access control, allowing administrators to define precisely who can access specific passwords and what actions they can perform. This granular approach ensures that privileged credentials are only accessible to authorized individuals, minimizing the risk of insider threats. Moreover, the software's comprehensive audit trails provide a detailed record of all password access and modifications, enabling organizations to track activity and identify any suspicious behavior. Compliance with industry regulations and security standards is crucial for any business. Password Manager Pro assists organizations in meeting these requirements by offering features such as password complexity enforcement, two-factor authentication, and remote access control. By implementing these security measures, businesses can strengthen their overall security posture and demonstrate compliance with regulatory mandates. In today's increasingly interconnected world, robust password management is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Password Manager Pro offers a comprehensive and effective solution to address the challenges of privileged access management, ensuring that your sensitive credentials remain secure. Check out the link in the description for more information.